Today I'll share a special step-by-step guide to creating a music video using images and videos generated with Higgsfield AI, all shown on screen. Higgsfield is a powerful AI video platform and one of the best free AI video generator options available today, offering professional quality results at the cheapest AI platform level. If you're new to it, watch until the end. We'll start with a song already made in Suno AI. Hi, this is Pandakun Music. In this video, I'll break down my Higgsfield AI MV workflow. Write prompts. Generate still images in Higgsfield AI. Turn those stills into video with Higgsfield AI. And edit to finish. By the way, I edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, but feel free to use whatever editing software you normally work with. You can of course re-edit generated images and videos using Higgsfield AI's edit features. But for consistent quality, final human tweaks are still essential. That's true for any AI tool. This voice was also generated with Higgsfield AI. I'll show you. Under Video, open Lip Sync Studio and select Audio. Click the icon to choose a voice. I'm using Anita. Type up to 300 characters, hit Generate, then Download. Here we'll start by entering prompts in Higgsfield AI and generating still images. The first important thing is that I highly recommend using Nano Banana Pro. After its recent updates, the generation accuracy has improved a lot, and text distortion is dramatically reduced. This is extremely important when you want to add text to images, especially for music videos and YouTube thumbnails. With Nano Banana Pro, text looks much cleaner and more stable compared to other models. When you want to place text in an image, always wrap the words in quotation marks, like "break the sky" or AI music video. This tells the AI to treat it as real text, which prevents characters from breaking or deforming. This is a professional level technique that many people don't know. Using quotation marks makes a huge difference in keeping your text clean and readable. Because of this, Higgsfield is also an excellent tool for creating thumbnails. You can generate high-quality visuals with clear text, even without using traditional design software. When writing prompts, try to be as detailed as possible. Higgsfield can generate decent results from simple prompts, but for high-quality visuals you should include things like image size, text position, and color style. For example, specify whether the image is vertical or horizontal, where the text should be placed, and whether the text should be white, gold, or a gradient. These details make a big difference. Once you have a good still image, you can use it as the base to generate a video in Higgsfield. Add simple instructions like slow camera movement, glowing light, or subtle character motion. This turns a static image into a dynamic music video style scene that feels alive and cinematic. If you ever get stuck or don't know what kind of image to create, ask an AI for ideas. AI tools are a great source of inspiration, and they can help you quickly find new creative directions. If your images or videos still look cheap, try adding the magic words 4K Ultra Detail to your prompt. It boosts the cinematic quality, so definitely give it a try. Pandakun Music uses this magic phrase to keep the quality of images and videos high. So if your results feel low budget, add 4K Ultra Detail and regenerate. Now, starting from the Higgsfield AI homepage, I'll show you the full process on screen. From still image generation to video creation, editing and refinement, lip sync, and finally exporting the result. This time, we'll take the chorus from a song Pandakun Music created last October, The Eternal Flow of Time, and add brand new visuals and lip sync to it. I've prepared a prompt that matches the vibe of traditional Japanese music. Let's start by entering it into Nano Banana Pro. An elegant Japanese woman inspired by traditional culture, wearing a refined kimono with subtle gold embroidery and a decorative obi. Soft, friendly expression, round eyes, gentle smile. Long, silky hair with a simple hair ornament. She stands in a scenic cherry blossom garden at night, with a bright full moon in the sky and petals drifting in the air. Warm moonlight and soft cinematic lighting illuminate her, creating a magical atmosphere. Shallow depth of field, bokeh highlights, clean composition, highly detailed fabric texture, natural skin tones, beautiful colour grading, 4K ultra detail. Vertical portrait, 9:16. Medium shot, subject centered, calm and cinematic atmosphere, stable camera. This time, let's generate 4 images at once and choose the best one. I usually select the 4K option to get higher quality, and I also choose 4 images to save time. Next, click this button to select any reference images you have. You can choose up to 14 images, and depending on your prompt, they can even be combined into one result. Feel free to experiment with different combinations. After waiting for a moment, the images will be generated. Now, the results are ready. If text appears in your image by accident, here's how to remove only the text. Go to Edit and enter a prompt asking to delete just the letters. When you run it, the image stays the same and only the text is removed. I'm going to turn this image into a video, but first I want to enlarge the moon using Nano Banana Pro under the Image section in Higgsfield AI. I'll enter a prompt to increase the moon's size and run it before generating the video. Now, on the image you want to turn into a video, click the video icon and select Animate. Next, set it as the start frame. This time let's generate a 10-second video using Kling 2.6. Then enter a prompt to add mouth movement so it can work with lip sync, and click Generate to create the video. It usually takes a few minutes to finish generating. I'll cut this part in editing, but now the generation is complete. Now we have a finished video with no audio, which is ideal for lip sync. Next, we'll apply lip sync to it. Since this is a Higgsfield AI tutorial, I'll skip the detailed steps for extracting vocals. For reference, I usually export vocals by using stem separation in tools like Suno AI or Studio One. Then I use that vocal track for lip sync. Alright, let's apply lip sync now. The generation is complete. Let's listen to it. Now let's generate the next 10-second segment and apply lip sync using the same process. The important thing here is to capture the very last frame as a still image and use it as the start frame for the next scene. This greatly increases the chance that the character stays consistent and the video doesn't break. For reference, I usually export the final frame in Premiere Pro before moving on. For the next 10-second scene, I'll enter a prompt to have the character walk to the right while also supporting lip sync. After waiting a few minutes, the video will be generated, and I'll apply the stem-separated vocals for lip sync. It's finished! Since the character is walking to the right, I'll apply lip sync to this clip. Go to Video, then Lip Sync Studio, choose Audio, and upload the stem-separated vocal file you want to use. Wait a moment. Now it's finished. Let's listen. Finally, connect the clips in your editing software and add any effects you need. That's it. Let's listen. So, how was it? Today I gave you a simple overview of how to generate images and videos, edit them, apply lip sync, and download your results using Higgsfield AI. You'll find links to Higgsfield AI in the description, so please sign up and try it out for yourself. I hope this video inspired you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
The cold wind cuts across my face and loneliness was my only friend. Time kept moving, dragging me along while I kept asking why I'm here at all. Searching for the answers I can see, a voice inside my heart begins to scream. Holding every pain and tear inside. I can't stop now, I still have hope to fight. Run straight through this moment, don't look back, break through fate and rewrite the line. The reason I was born into this world is in the voice that shakes my soul right now. So run forward to the end, let the sky shake up every fear and doubt you carry. Carve the truth deep into your heart and open both your hands toward the light. Even if I fall 1,000 times again and every scar burns across my skin, the light of life will never disappear. I'll race through this world and rise again. If one day this voice begins to fade, I'll leave the